Welcome to Lyra Tech. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Anova Precision Smart Oven, a countertop combi oven that brings professional-grade cooking right into your home. Check out the link in the description for the best price. This isn't just any regular oven, it's packed with steam and convection cooking technology to give you restaurant-quality results. Whether you're baking, roasting, broiling, or even dehydrating, this oven does it all. One of its standout features is precision temperature control, ensuring even heat distribution. That means no more burnt edges or undercooked centers. Plus, the integrated smartphone app allows you to control and monitor your cooking remotely. Imagine setting your meal to cook while you relax on the couch. The spacious interior accommodates a variety of dishes, making it perfect for everything from family dinners to meal prepping. And with its sleek, modern design, it blends seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Pros: versatile cooking modes, steam, convection, bake, broil, and more. Remote control via smartphone app, adjust settings from anywhere. Even cooking results, no hot spots or uneven cooking. Spacious interior, great for meal prepping. Energy efficient, uses less power than traditional ovens. Cons: premium price, higher cost compared to standard ovens. Takes up counter space, may not be ideal for small kitchens. Learning curve: multiple features may take time to master. Overall, the Anova Precision Smart Oven is a fantastic investment for home cooks looking for precision, versatility, and convenience in one appliance. Check out the link in the description for the best price.